earn instant 40,000 pesos monthly. Naalala ko yung bang panahon wherein I work 8 hours a day without overtime pay. Yung tawag nating OTY, come on. And then we rise early and then we rush umaga-umaga and we face a lot of like congested like public transpo and talaga namang grabe yung traffic, nakakaloka. And by the way guys, this is every morning. Nararamdaman natin insecure tayo kasi hindi tayo pinapansin ng boss natin, hindi tayo nakokomment. Yung tipong parang di niya nakikita yung worth natin, oo. And then guys, we only earn like less than 20K a month in the corporate world. Hindi worth it! Hindi! 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 But, when I started working online, yes, I still work like 8 hours a day and then 5 days a week kasi hello, ako naman ay may 4 clients. But this time, I can work anywhere I want, anytime I want, basta't may laptop at Wi-Fi. No more blind pamasahe, come on! And by the way, hindi lang to sa home you can travel all over the world and work at the same time. Saya, di ba? And this time, mas na-appreciate ka ng mga clients mo. Mas expressive sila sa gratefulness sila because of your hard work. And earn 40,000 to 50,000 pesos a month. Come on! Ang laki ng pinagkaiba! All I did was to learn the basic skills such as basic typing, basic data entry, pretty much yung Microsoft Office ang covered nun. Of course, basic English conversation, basic social media management, and basic editing. Plus, minsan kung kaya mo mag-call. Then, after that, I applied in an agency called Pineapple Staffing, which by the way, I do recommend for beginners versus applying directly because number 1, it has free training. Number 2, you're very secured. Hindi ka lolokohin ng mga clients mo. And number 3, for convenience, they will be the ones to be actually getting clients for you. All you have to do is attend the client interview and ace it. Come on. Now, I'm enjoying time freedom, stress-free work environment, and competitive monthly salary. Come on, ito yung pinakagusto natin. I just have to learn, apply everything, and enjoy my job daily. And this is very practical and popular nowadays kasi hello, everything's online now and you know the safety and the security and the comfort of working from home and not being away from your loved ones is super possible here. How? Paano nga ba? Wala problema mga besh. Actually, may nilagay akong link sa description box at nakakatulong to para makapag-start ka na mag-work online. Come on! Parang ako lang. So, start working online and live a more balanced life with a very competitive salary monthly. O siya, see you on the next one!